So I think it's time we remove the succession politics from the BBI, and the BBI, the success of the BBI will be success for everyone. Anyone can win under the BBI. So my plea to the residents of Nakuru is to read the document, to appreciate the good things that we have been able to include there. And I know some people have said that the BBI is not popular in certain parts of the country, but my question would be, we have not gone to popularize or even to teach on the BBI. So how would it be popular when you have not even taught the citizens on what it should be? We are now going to formulate the question that will be brought to the county assemblies. And once the report from early February, then the next thing will be to ensure that at least half of them pass the BBI. Then thereafter, we can now hold town hall meetings, we can come and popularize, and you can be informed even as you make your decision.